I'm here at Ysgol Craig y Don and I've come to see the fantastic facilities that they've been able to fund through the grant they've had from Welsh Government for inclusive ALN facilities.
Mae'r pethau yma wedi really helpu ni i cefnogi'r plant hefo anghenion a pawb I fod yn onest. Mae'n rhoi cyfle I pawb gallu gweithio efo'i gilydd tu allan yn fama.
I've had a look around the school and looked at some of the changes they've made in there, including their lovely sensory room. But the highlight so far has been this fantastic sensory garden, which you can see behind me.
People come in here for lessons and they'll play music or they'll just have fun.
You can be creative in here. It makes me feel energised.
It's something really different what we have in our school, so it's super cool.
I feel excited.
A mae'n really cefnogi iechyd a lles y plant hefyd, fel bod nhw'n barod I ddysgu.